Hello, to class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. I am hoping that you already watched our Algebra Challenge number 1, 2, 3, and 4 because we are now in Algebra Challenge number 5 and our problem is simplify 5 raised to x plus 2 minus 6 times the quantity 5 raised to x plus 1 plus 7 times the quantity 5 raised to x plus 50 times 5 raised to x minus 2. Let's start knowing our answer with this challenge. To start solving this algebra challenge number 5, the first thing that we need to do is to distribute this exponent to the base 5. Same as x plus 2, same base 5. Here, we don't need, but x minus 2 will be distributed also to 5, like this. So let's see. This exponent x plus 2 is for 5. Therefore, this becomes 5 raised to x, like this one, and 5 raised to 2 like this one. On this part, we have this. We copy this 6. Then this x plus 1 is for this base 5. That's why we have 5 raised to x. We have this. And 5 raised to 1, we have this. On this term, we just need to copy 7 times 5 raised to x, since there is no exponent that is needed to distribute to 5. So just copy this like this. On the last term, in 50 times 5 raised to x minus 2, we need to distribute x minus 2 to the base 5 here. And what are we going to do is to apply the quotient rule in the law of exponent. The result will be this. We just copy 50. Then we distribute x to 5 here. That's why we have 5 raised to x. As I have mentioned a while ago, we need to apply the quotient rule in the laws of exponent. Hence, this minus 2 will be written in the denominator. So this becomes 5 raised to 2. Since when you apply the quotient rule, this becomes 5 raised to x over 5 raised to 2. And that's the reason behind we have this part. Then this time around, let us observe each term. We have the first term, the second term, the third term, and the fourth term. What have you noticed? Okay, let's try to look at it again. There is common with each term. We have 5 raised to x here. We have 5 raised to x in the second term, 5 raised to x in the third, and in the fourth, there is also 5 raised to x. And that is what we call their common term. Then after that, we just copy what remains here since we have 5 raised to x here. So what remains is 5 raised to 2, and 5 raised to 2 means 25 because that is 5 times 5. So that's 25. Then on the second term, we have 6 and we have 5 raised to 1. 5 raised to 1 means 5. So 5 times 6. So minus here. So minus 30. Then on this term, we have 5 raised to x here. So what remains is plus 7. And on the last term, we have 5 raised to x here. Then 50 and 5 raised to 2. And 5 raised to 2 means 25. Therefore, 50 divided by 25 is 2. That's why we have plus 2 here. Then perform the indicated operation. 25 minus 30 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. Hence, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we have this 5 raised to x times 4. Again, 25 minus 30 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 7 is 2. Plus 2, that is 4. We just write this in standard form. Let's copy 4. Let's copy 4 first, then 5 raised to x. And this is the simplified form of algebra challenge number 5. That's all. But wait for algebra challenge number 6. God bless us.